Okay, let's dive in. Ever feel like you're just spending way too much time digging through your ERP?
Oh, absolutely. Just trying to get a simple financial overview.
Exactly. You need that quick, consolidated look, right? Without getting totally bogged down in every single transaction.
Yeah, for busy people, time is everything. You can't afford to waste it hunting for basic numbers.
That's the core problem we hear a lot. Making ERP data accessible, understandable, summarized.
Seeing the big picture, not just the individual pixels.
And that brings us to our focus today. We're drawing on the experience of Swetha from Tyana Solutions.
Right, he's got, what, 15 years in the ERP space? Seen a lot.
Definitely. Helped tons of clients. Her expertise is pretty broad reports, generic inquiries. I heard over 100 of those.
Uh-huh. Plus security, imports, Power BI, ARM reports, business events, the whole range.
So she really gets the nuts and bolts of making ERP data useful.
She does. It's about understanding those specific client needs and building solutions that actually work in the real world.
So let's talk about a specific real-world problem she tackled. A client needed to quickly see the total payments made to their vendors.
Yeah, a very common need. Within a specific time frame, I assume.
Exactly. Like, how much did we pay supplier X last quarter? Simple question, but finding the answer quickly can be tricky sometimes.
Right. You don't want to manually add up lines from a payment register. That's inefficient.
Totally. So the solution Swetha put together was a generic inquiry, or a GI.
Okay, the GI approach, like a custom report builder within Acumatica.
Yeah. And this specific GI was designed for total vendor payment. That was its purpose.
Makes sense. Taking raw data and making it immediately useful. Actionable insight.
So what data did it use? It pulled from the AP payment and the vendor table.
Standard places for that info. You need the payment details and the vendor details.
And crucially, she linked them, made a relationship between those two data sources.
That's fundamental. Connecting the payment to the specific vendor. Otherwise, it's just a list of payments.
Right. So the system knows which parent belongs to which vendor.
Got it. That allows for the aggregation, the summing up per vendor.
And to make it easy for the user, there were simple parameters, just date from and to date.
Nice and easy.
Yes.
So you can just pick your range. This month, last quarter.
Yeah, or a custom range, whatever period you need to analyze. Flexible.
That's key. Business needs change. Reporting periods change. Users need that control.
Now, here's the really important part for getting that summary view. The GI grouped the results.
Ah, grouping by vendor ID, I imagine.
Exactly. Grouped by vendor ID. So instead of seeing like 20 payments to one vendor,
You just see one line for that vendor.
one line with the total amount paid to them in that date range you selected.
Perfect. That cuts out all the noise.
Right.
Avoids that information overload.
Precisely. It gives you the summary you actually need.
That's the power of grouping in these scenarios. Shifting focus from the transaction level to the relationship level.
So what did the user actually see in the results? The grid showed things like account ID, the vendor's name,
Okay, standard identifiers.
the original payment amount total, any remaining document balance for those payments, and the currency.
So a concise financial snapshot for each vendor in the period. Comprehensive but summarized.
Exactly. The essentials for understanding the total payments without getting lost.
So the core benefit really is speed and clarity. Instantly see the total paid per vendor for your chosen dates.
Drawing from the real payment data, but presenting it cleanly.
Think about it. Maybe you need to review spending with a key supplier before negotiation.
Yeah, good example.
This GI gives you that total spend for, say, the last year, instantly. No manual digging required. Saves a ton of time.
It really is about efficiency, isn't it? And getting that info for better decisions.
Absolutely. And that's where expertise like Swetha's and companies like Tyana Solutions come in. They build these tailored Acumatica solutions.
Streamlining processes, providing clearer insights.
It's leveraging the system's capabilities, not just using it out of the box, but customizing it smartly. It saves time and gives you a better strategic view.
So if you're listening and thinking, yeah, I struggle to get quick, consolidated data from Acumatica, or maybe your team needs help building these kinds of custom solutions,
Then reaching out could be a really good step.
we definitely encourage you to connect with Tyana Solutions. They can help unlock that potential in your ERP data.
Imagine having that critical financial information right there, instantly. Think of the time saved, the clarity gained.
You can explore how Tyana can help your specific business. Just book an appointment, call them at 678-910-2774.
Yeah, that number again is 678-910-2774.
Give them a call, see how they can help you get better control and quicker insights from your Acumatica system.